Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if there's a duplicate username on the login or sign-in screen on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're coming across this in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the accounts option on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to go and select sign in options. Go ahead and left click on that. And now there should be something that says underneath additional settings, use my sign in info to automatically finish setting up my device after an update. Toggle that to the off position. And once you're done with that, go ahead and close out of here and restart your device. And there you go, guys. Should be as simple as that. And hopefully that was able to resolve your duplicate username on the sign-in screen problem. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.